Hey everyone, on this week's Mondays with Megan, I'm going to talk about what closing your laptop lid does. Well, the answer is simple, it depends. You can actually change the settings on your device to do something different depending on your preference. So if you want your laptop to go into sleep mode, so you're just closing it quickly and then you're going to open it up in a few minutes, that's one thing. Or you might have several monitors on your desk and you might want to save space and just completely have your laptop shut while remaining working on your other two monitors. So the way you can check what your current setting is or even change that setting is going to be by going to the control panel, and then you're going to click on hardware and sound and then power options, and then you're actually going to click on choose what closing the laptop lid does. Now I have to preface, this is how to change it on my own laptop, which is a Lenovo. If you have a different kind of laptop, you might have a couple different steps or different wording, but just know that you can change those options. So I hope this tech tip is super helpful, and I hope the next time you close your laptop lid, you know exactly what it's going to do. Have a great week, everyone. As always, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and for more information, feel free to reach out to me directly at megan@easyit.com. Have a great week.